So this is the same vehicle in less than a month on, and I've spent a grand total of £10, £6 on fuel and £4 on getting it jet washed. Passenger side was fine. Rear bumper had a kink in. I used boiling water and did it from the inside. Quite simple enough. Driver's side was where the most damage was. Managed to pry out some of the dents using the drying holes on the inside of the door. And there was a bend in the wing corner. Managed to push that in, repair the headlight lugs using a bit of epoxy and a few bits from the shed. So let's see how it does at the MOT and then hopefully get rid of it. But quite a simple project. I wish they were all like that.